The RUID card is used to access many services across Rutgers University, including residence halls, meal plans and flex dollars, university libraries, computer labs, recreation facilities, and athletic events. You are now required to submit a photo of yourself online. It's simple and saves you time. After you have activated your Rutgers Net ID and email, you can then submit your ID card photo online using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You will either submit your photo via the enrollment pathway or by visiting the online photo submission website by following the link shown below. To upload your photo, you will need to authenticate using your Net ID and password. Take a photo using your device or upload an existing photo. Make sure your picture meets the requirements listed on the photo submission website. Unacceptable photos include wearing hats and sunglasses, having other visible people or objects in the photo, inappropriate expressions or gestures, a photo of a photo, having filters or frames, and professional photos or senior portraits. You can crop or rotate your image to meet the requirements, then preview and submit the photo. You will be notified via email if your photo was accepted or rejected and the reason why. Please check your Rutgers email and personal email. New students will receive their RUID at their campus-specific orientation. RBHS schools should contact their respective admissions coordinator regarding their RUID. All new students must be registered for classes to be eligible for an RUID. Faculty and staff will receive their RUID at new employee orientation. Guests can visit an ID card office to receive their RUID. If you have any questions, please contact iam@ipo.rutgers.edu or visit the website shown here.